You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kicker, X chat, go ahead, say what's up. Let's see who's with us. This CPI Wednesday. We got Mike, Zona, Matt, Chris, Bear Goes Long, Jay Prouse, Uncle Mark, Chris, Hockey, Shane, TW, Ferrari, Phil, J. Lou, Giaz, Brian, Soul, Israel, July Peppers. Good morning to you, Big G, Chris, AG, Psychmed Trading. Whoa, there's a name I haven't heard in a while. What's up, Benjamin? Smarty Man, Jesse, Heinz, Punisher, D Biggs, Hector, Danielle, Ronnie, Travis in the air, your buddy, Seven Figure Guy, Carter, Luck Max, W3, Quicksand, Rocket DP. How y'all doing? Chauncey, Black Sam, 64, Dane Trades, Buckle Luck. Good morning. What is cracking? What's up, Pilot Vitali? We got two pilots in here. Holy shit. D Biggs, good morning. Yeah, Alpha Futures, we'll talk about that. We got a big announcement from Alpha Futures about their new zero plan. Oh, baby. What's up, How to Be Tight, July Peppers? What's up? 10 months for July Peppers. Let's go, baby. All right, let's get a channel of gamble points going ASAP. Ten minutes for this one, and we're off. What's up, Pepe? Okay, so I guess we'll talk about Alpha in a little bit here. Wait till more people get in here, but it is CPI Wednesday all day today. Should be quite the day. A very exciting day. I still haven't had those accounts cleared out of my TradeAbate, so I won't be trading Apex, but I do have my Alpha accounts and I do have my Lucid accounts, so we shall see how it goes on those. Anything can happen today. Keep that in mind. Oh, we had this big old spike. Anybody know what that was caused by? Big old spike and drop. Anybody know? This is actually something we talk about in our YouTube shorts. Can you trade the news on Apex? Yes. Absolutely. There's only one rule in Apex, guys. Two rules. There's two rules in Apex. Do not hit your maximum loss limit or daily drawdown. That's rule number one. Rule number two is do not do any of the prohibited practices, which is like hedging, paying somebody to trade your account, using some type of weird copy trading service where somebody's trading your account for you. They simplified the rules. They simplified their payouts. Everything is much more simple now. And so all of the questions are pretty basic. Nobody knows what this is, huh? Wow. I am disappointed. The spike drop happened twice overnight. No, it's very specific. There you go. Who said that one? It was Matthias, correct. So there was a headline that came out and it says, Israel reportedly assesses that U.S. President Trump is not close to instructing the end to war. So why do you think that this would happen? Why do you think this would happen on that headline? Let's see. Gus nailed it. Bang. Easy. Now, what do you think the algos were reacting to? Why do you think the algos shot this up? End of war. Bang. God, you guys are learning. I fucking love it. Let's go. There you go. Everybody who said liquidity grab, market structure, shorters got squeezed. Wrong. Wrong. Completely and totally wrong. Wrong. That is what happens when algos misinterpret words. And in this case, the phrase end of war. That is what fucked the algorithms. End of war. The algorithms read end of war, bang. Has nothing to do with liquidity grab, has nothing to do with market structure, has nothing to do with a fucking retard named ICT and the fucking inverted and turtle fucking soup shit. Algorithms reading the text, end of war. That's what that creates. Bang. Learn it, baby. Learn it. So that's why we saw that. And so I was in a position, I shorted into that, and unfortunately did not make much money. I made $82. So, yeah. There you go. Was that posted on First Squawk? I have no idea. It was Bloomberg Terminal. Yeah, it wasn't the Ninja Turtle suit. I need to start my own news website and feed it algo-friendly words. You'd be surprised how often that happens purposely. Esquire up $740 overnight. Let's go, baby. Financial Juice missed the headline shocker. I mean, dude, you get what you pay for, right? If you're paying for a service that's a few $100 a month, you get what you pay for, right? You get exactly what you're paid for. What I'm interested to see right now is how much we're holding these lows. That's what's interesting to me. Trade C, well, why? I have a better question. Why not? At what point did you notice it was a news event that caused that? Literally the moment that it happened, because I get it in my ears the exact moment that news breaks. That's what I paid $20,000+ a year for. The tweet, the U.S. is escorting ships yesterday. I missed that one. I wasn't at my terminal. Rips, Apex approves my payout just in a few minutes. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm seeing across the board right now. Like I said, 2 rules on Apex. 2 rules on Apex. Do not hit your maximum loss limit or daily loss limit, and do not do any of the prohibited practices. That's it. 2 rules on Apex now. Very simple to follow. No MAE, no 5-to-1, no bullshit. That's it. That's exactly what it was, Richard Harris. Do you have any predictions for the CPI data results? Last time was very violent. I am expecting a lot of violence. We have a channel Gambles points. I think it already closed though. Yeah. Oh no, if you want to jump over to Kick and gamble your points, there's 3 minutes left in the prediction right now. 3 minutes left in the prediction. The over-under is 24,920 and a quarter. So if you want to gamble on it, Jump on over to Kick. It's free. Chaos Trader says, wish I could get a payout in Apex evals. Made 73,000 yesterday. Yeah, soon, baby. Keep it rolling. I want a Lucid account. What platform do you recommend? TradeC. TradeC. No brainer for me. I mean, guys, is it? Let me show you something here. Let me show you something. Okay. Let me show you something here. Ah, god damn it. I press a button every single fucking time. Sorry. Okay. Let me show you something. So right now, I don't have Apex accounts because I'm trading them on Trade-Evate. I lost $55,000 trading my TPT accounts on Trade-Evate. Let's look what happens when I use a platform like TradeC. Let's look at my results when I use a platform like TradeC, shall we? Huh. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's go to last month. There must be a lot of red days last month. Huh. 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 Oh, so you mean the guy who can trade on a platform that just fucking works? Huh. You know, that's fucking weird. This whole time, man. I thought I was just lucky. Huh. Weird how that works when you get a platform where you press the button. It's not like, oh, you forgot to click your copy group. We unselected it for you. Oh, we're fucking not filling you where you want to be filled. Oh, you press the button at 25,000. We're going to fill you at 25,070. Huh. Weird how that works. Weird how that works, huh? I must just be lucky, though. It's probably because I'm just lucky. I'm really lucky on TradeC, guys. That's what it is. How many green days is this in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green days in a row. Must be luck. Definitely not the trading platform. When you click the button, it does exactly what you want when you click it. And I never think about, no, did it just select my copy group? Is it gonna fill me 50 points away from where I click the button? Weird how that works. Yeah. Trade-Evate could never. Dork says, just a reminder, this 50% off only applies to new traders. It does not work for people that already have Lucid accounts. It does if you've never used code RIPS before or never used another code before. So if you're using another code, then yeah. TradeC is web-based. They also have an iPhone app. They have an Android app. And I think they have a desktop app as well. But it's web-based, so you can use it on Mac, PC, Android, Linux. You can use it on a TI-83 calculator. You can use it on a Samsung fridge if you install the correct operating system. What else? Oh, you can use it on the GOG 9000 Sex robot on the back screen. There's a patch update for that, 6.9. If you put that on, it does work on that robot on the back screen. Also works on iPads, yes. Works on iPads as well. You can use it on your Tamagotchi, yes. The only disappointing part about TradeC is that when you click the button, it fills you exactly where the price is at. That's the one thing I hate about it. When you click the button, like when you click buy, it actually puts you in at the price where you're clicking buy at. That, I mean, so for you guys that are on Trade-Evate, you guys that are used to like getting fucked on every single fill that you possibly click the button for, you guys are gonna be a little disappointed about TradeC because it actually fills you where you click the button. So all you Trade-Evate users out there that are completely getting fucked right up the ass with no lube and no kisses, it's gonna be a little bit different for you. Just letting you know, giving you a little heads up. Getting you a little bit of heads up there. We'll talk about the alpha updates here pretty soon. After CPI, we'll talk about alpha. I just opened up Trade-Evate to look at my alpha. These ones right here, my alpha futures accounts. Very first thing I check now is my copy group still selected? Did Trade-Evate unselect my copy group? What a fucking shitty platform this is. Good Lord. It's unbelievable. Like, it's just like so not a fucking real trading thing. Whenever I'm trading my cash account, the last thing I'm worried about is my platform shitting on my face. You're gonna see some slippage with limit orders? No. Limit orders will never slip. Doesn't work like that. Impossible for a limit order to slip. TraderMate doesn't have an issue with delay when it comes to taking my money. It's weird how that works, huh? How was Globex? We didn't take a single trade, but we took a Lucid payout. We got paid in 1 minute and 10 seconds. From the moment we clicked the button till the moment that it hit our bank account was 1 minute and 10 seconds. I use TradingView when I'm trading on AMP. No pips rips. It's funny. I mean, Lucid is the fastest. I don't know of anybody that's faster than Lucid. Somebody DM'd me and was like, you should be Rick from Rick and Morty from the live action. Can't imagine why somebody said that. It's funny. Started my personal live account this week, plus 600 so far on 25K. Nice work, troops. Let's go, baby. You think Quell visit lower? Maybe. I would gamble on that if that's what you think. I'm going to zoom the fuck out when that print happens. Try to catch some of the afterglow for sure. I'm not going to do any of the fucking nonsense where you put like a stop order up here and a stop order down here. I don't recommend that you guys do that either, simply because you're not going to learn how to trade. And if you pass an account that way, you're going to be in a PA account or whatever the performance accounts or the funded accounts, and then you're probably not going to know how to trade them and you're going to lose them, and that's a waste of your time. I'd much rather see you guys learning how to trade, especially learning how to trade the afterglow of a print. It's very difficult, extremely difficult. What's the website for the TradeZ platform? It's TradeSea, as in like pirates sailing on the sea. TraDESEA. Do you just trade now because you were scared of Phil Ivey? Yes. That's the truth. Nailed it. He is terrifying. He's bullied me out of the poker world. Ripsy, I disagree. If you could trade, YOLO CPI is the best way to pass evals fast. Yeah, I mean, if you can already trade, do whatever you want. I just think you're missing out on a little bit of learning time, you know. What you said about placing orders on both sides, is that allowed? It is, yeah, as far as I know, but you can't do it in like PA accounts. You can't do it in funded accounts. You're gonna get fucked. And most funded accounts now have news rules 2 minutes before and after trade day. I think Alpha too, TPT obviously, which I still don't have my fucking accounts for. I don't know why TPT won't let me activate my accounts. I haven't gotten the email. Maybe it's like buried in my spam or something. I don't fucking know. Kind of bummed. I want to trade TPT, man. I want daily payouts. Fucking annoying. Nah. You don't need the email. I don't have the activation button, brother. Let me see. Back to control center. Pass test. Yeah, it's just they all say disabled. So, no, I don't have the activation button. Like, trust me, I'm retarded, but when it comes to this shit, I can figure it out. It's not let me in. Let me in. Activation is on the pro button. Ribs, Canadian with record. What's your favorite series outside of US? I went to EPT, Barcelona, pretty sick. The only one that I've done outside of the US is the Caribbean Poker Tour, and I did that in Punta Cana. That was it. That's the only one that I've done outside of the US. The one in the Bahamas, Paradise, WSOP, is really good. Would you consider Bahamas outside US? WSOP Paradise would be probably up there. I haven't been, but I think they run a great tournament. The guarantees are pretty high. Did you go into the Pro tab? Let me see. Pro. Nope. I got a bunch of buttons that say reset, but not gonna do that. Were you playing poker in Vegas back in 06 or 07? I played, the very first time I played poker in Vegas was, I think, at the Wynn when they first opened. So, whenever that was. When did the Wynn open? Played at Venetian. 2005, so yeah, yes. Didn't like live here or anything, but yeah, definitely did. Do Trade C let you copy 5 accounts? Yes. It's built-in copier and it works perfectly. Like, perfect. To the tick, perfect. There's never an issue I have with copying an account. Which is just like how it should be. Like, here's the thing. Like, if you're copying accounts, all it should do is, like, it shouldn't try to trade multiple accounts. If you have it selected as a copy thing, it should lock you in on every trade that you take, that you can't, like, copy and then go to the one that's copied and trade it. It should just lock that account out and then just copy whatever you have on your main account to the other accounts. Like, copy the results. It shouldn't actually, like, trade. Like, what a stupid thing to do. How dumb is that logic? Like, oh, we need to actually copy the other accounts. No, just lock them. Like, how stupid is that? Like, Jesus Christ, prop firms, hire me. Trade C is 1-to-1, dude. You're about to switch? Why would you not? Has anybody tried NinjaTrader Prop yet? It's supposed to be trading view charts and copy trading. Huh? Never heard of that, man. You're thinking of Trade C. You're conflating that with Trade C. Haifu says, long or short? Yes. Correct. How's Top Step? Never used them. I last used them over a year ago, and I've never had an issue with them. I traded on them exclusively for 2 years, I think. 2 years straight. No problems. Zero. But my review of them is well over a year now, so a lot has changed in the program. I have not touched it. But when I use them, fantastic. No issues. Red Bull number 2. Just looked it up. NinjaTrader started a prop in October 25. No, they did not. If you find a NinjaTrader prop company, it's just what they named their platform that has literally no difference from the main platform. So that's what you're looking at. They did not start their own prop firm. Trust me, I know, because I was on the phone with them. Rips, do you ever trade multiple prop firms at the same time? No. Not my thing. They all have different rules. It seems crazy to do. But you do whatever you want, man. Just because I do or do not do something doesn't mean it's the right or wrong thing to do. I'm taking the overs on Rips drinks more than 2 Red Bulls. I mean, it's already almost passed. Should do something more extravagant, like 17. That would be more of a risky bet, more fun. What's up? Triplies? Triplies, what's up? Triplies. Good. 2 minutes. 2-minute warning. Check your positions at the gate. You are right. Ninja is advertising you can use them with prop fries. My favorite type of fries are prop fries. I love prop fries. They're better than French fries. Fuck French fries. I'm still tired of yesterday's session. Why? Qatar has ordered all citizens to stay home. There might be a war going on. I don't know. Heard some rumors. Is Apex going to unban those under review? John Skelton took to Twitter yesterday and said that they're going to be reviewing some cases. If you're not a bad actor, I would assume yes. 1 minute, 50 seconds. How about swinging some long bonds today? You're out of your mind, brother. I just have my auto roll T-bills, baby. Got my autofill, auto roll T-bills. I don't look at them. I don't touch them. I just collect my monies. We need an Oscar to be unbanned? Huh? Oh, you're talking about bad. You guys are some dad jokes in here. Oh boy. I'm in a long. I need to close. Press sell. Plus 0.3% in line with expected. Dude, fucking in line. God damn it. 0.3 and 2.4. Exactly in line. Fuck you guys. God damn it. You guys can't even get it like 0.2 off or 1/10 off. Son of a bitch. Well, that's kind of annoying. Come on. That's one of the weakest CPIs I think I've seen in the last 6 months. All right, I'm gonna take a leak. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. That's just so boring and lame. Whee! Whee! Coming on down. Went up 1K across 4 accounts and Tradevate. Bitch ass frozen, wouldn't let it exit my trade and hit daily loss limit. Huh. Tradevate, you say? Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, that's annoying. I'm sorry, man. Super annoying. All right, so we're right back at those lows that we were printing back. When was this? We didn't sweep them, but 5 o'clock in the morning, whatever these were. Something like that. See if we can get any alpha going here. Right now, just holding on these lows. Just packs 6 Apex evals. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna try this short here. See if we can hold underneath 60s. See if they want to test breaking these lower lows. Right now, a big exchange here. I think somebody closed a short right around these 50s. Kind of seeing that in the S&Ps. So let's see. These are in my alpha evaluation accounts. Like, dude, I'm sorry, but there's no way that I filled at 45 when the price was up here. Okie dokie, Trader Mate. Love you, pal. I was looking at my P&L. I'm like, how? That's funny. Let's see if 60s hold. Adding to it right there. Adding again, looking for the sweep below 50s. See if we can carry this print a little bit lower here, back into 71 or so in the S&Ps would be lovely. Through 50s would be a real treat. Nope. They're testing it. They're flirting with it. They don't want to sweep it yet. They're trying to. Can we break that little 50 area? Let's see. Should be able to crack that 45 too. There are some players that are finessing right at 50. Let's see if we can get through it. They're taking their sweet time, that's for sure. Little springboard there. Might have to reduce my size a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 more as a runner. Taking 1 more off. They're just pinning it right here, which I wanted more of a sweep, like through 40s, and then continuation to the downside, but they're kind of just bouncing it around here. And stop that on the rest. Sort of a scratch trade. I mean, there's too much back and forth here at 50s, makes it a little bit unpredictable to hold size. Even if they sweep it below this level, it's just too much of a gamble for me. It's just too thin. They're fucking around, you know. Na 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 na. Hearing some rumble about Tradeovate. Just here to recommend Quantower. Yeah, I'm already in Tradeovate for most of my prop firms. So right now we only have one, but TPT is going to be in Tradeovate. So I don't know that I can switch platforms in TPT once I go to fund it in those. But it is what it is, man. Like, it's just funny. Like, I press the button here and it fills me at what, 45? Like, it didn't ever print 45. What was the low here? 46 evens was the low print. Like, and like I looked at my average, it was 45. When we dipped down here, it was like barely in the profit. I'm like, come on, dude. This is shit. How long does it take to learn bookmap and order flow? So the way that I learned bookmap was years and years and years ago. I stared at it for a year straight, trading about 10 plus hours a day, 5 days a week. And after a year of doing that, I was slightly less terrible at reading it. Not very good at all, but that was after a year of doing it. So your mileage may vary, but that was my own experience. And that was doing a lot of homework, like recording my screen with the built-in screen recording function, going back and watching those recordings, going back at key areas of the market. Like I had a notepad writing down, like, okay, this is when this was happening in Tesla. I'd go back and watch Tesla's tape, that kind of shit. So, anyone else not able to access Lucid dashboard? Let me see. It's loading my account details right now. It's mate. It's mate. Who's mate? No, mine's working. Yeah, mine's working just fine. Yeah, we are building back up some steam here, probably trading back up to the previous 4-hour mid and right around our 979 level. I'm completely flat. You guys can't load your Lucid dashboard. Interesting, weird. I've been waiting for my payout with Tradeify for 14 hours, getting slower. Interesting. You might have requested it at an off time. I don't know. I haven't taken a Tradeify payout in a minute because I got, I was in eval jail because I blew my live account. Now you're in the dashboard? All right, you're welcome. I fixed it for everybody. All it took was me just logging in. Damn, that was a nice projection up there underneath 70s. That's what I wanted, that type of move, but fuck. Through 50s too, huh? Damn, that was the one. Shit, we're just a little bit early to it. Son of a beeswax. All right, let's see if something else primes and sets up here. Probably just go back to Kerfuffle Town. What's the best discount now? Lucid? Yeah, 50% off for Lucid. We are threatening a break of these lows again, so let's see. If we cut through all of these orders to the downs, yeah, I fucking missed it. God damn it. All right, I'm in short here. We'll take a recheck all the way up to 45 if I need to. A little bit of a coat check. Watching for this to face down through the 20s now. We have 65 to the downside in the S&Ps. So I want to try to layer into this. Looking for 65 to trade out in the S&Ps. There are some bidders there. I want to add on pops. So watching these pops. Want to add into this towards 40. Trying to layer into this on this first reflex. Looking for the breakdown of 30 here. Nice. Watching for the test of 20s. Here's your 20 pull. Should be able to smash right into that. Well, they're playing games at 20. Yeah, we should be able to get down into that, like 890s, I would say. Have a little bit of liquidity here at 20s that we have to work through. A little pumpage of the brakes here. Again, going very thin. I'll add shorts at 40 if we get up there. I don't think we'll trade 75s in the S&P, but if we do, it should reject harshly there as well. What are the prints that they're giving me right now on like what? Look at my P&L compared to like what's actually happening on Bookmap. It's fucking weird, huh? It's so weird. Like what spreads are you talking about trading Trade of 8? What are you what are you seeing that nobody else in the goddamn world is seeing? How fucking destroying is that? Like, it's just so disheartening being in trades and seeing Trade of 8 just be a bag of shit. Okay, 2 is a runner. Too funny, man. Trade of 8, just one big old bag of shit lit on fire on your doorstep. Stops at 27. Yeah, they didn't pay their fees for the CME. That sounds about right to me. Again, Trade of 8. We're a bag of shit lit on fire on your doorstep. Trade on us. How are you acquired by a multi-billion-dollar company and you can't figure your shit out? Like, pay your developers, man. It's so funny. Couple little games here, anticipating a 15 sweep. 65 to the downside is the low point for the S&Ps. Stops are at 27 and got tagged. Sweet. Do. My target was at 890, so on my runner, but you know. I just got moved to live on Tradeify. Any tips? Take it slow. Don't blow it. Take it slow. I think Trade of 8 is executing 5 lines in order book from price. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I was looking at my P&L when this was bouncing back up here. I just did this little bounce back up and it was like quoting me like the price was up here. Like, what are you doing, dude? It's so funny. Nice move back down there. I guess I should add my stop back at 35. Anyway, it's fine. I don't feel like confident when I'm in a trade in Trade of 8 for some reason. Can't imagine why. Anybody catch that move to the downside with me? I'm gonna push up towards 40. And that was a fun one. Drop a W if you got it. Boom, boom, booga-da-dum, ba-dum, bong. Nice. Hell yeah, let's go, people. I mean, the market looks still very, very heavy. I don't really see any longs in control. It's just very, very thin. So I'd like to see some longs take control, maybe back to 970. That'd be lovely. It's very thin right now. I'd like to see what happens at the top of the hour. We might get one more huge move before the top of the hour, given how thin it is. The book is pretty easy to manipulate when it's this thin. Weakness right now from equities, but it's not tremendous weakness. Not gonna lie, Trade C keeps lagging behind. Interesting. I've not experienced that in my own, on my side, so. One. Made 1,200 Lucid 50K eval. Going to wait till the market opens for better price action. Nice work, this guy, Viper. Is that a 1-day pass or are you doing a 2-day pass? Everyone is having problems. Wealth charts, trade evade, trade C craziness. Yeah, I mean, I guess they're not prepared for the influx of prop firm traders or something. I don't know. It's weird. Very strange. It's crazy, to be honest. Bit of a rejection up here. I'm going to try this short again. Underneath 40. If we can break below 27, that's the juice. I want to see a harsh rejection underneath 40 and us staying docile below 70 in the S&Ps. Even though this thing could trade all the way back up to 950, no problem. I'm still willing to try this for a nice little scalp through 27. Same level we were using for our stop. Watching. Nice pull. Through 27. And need that connection at 22. You could never. I just needed it at 22. Let's see. 22, 22, 22. 22. It's okay, guys. You can take it to 22. I'm not going to tell anybody. It's perfectly fine. $27, still that line in the sand. Pushing up towards 40 now. Looking for this to sail back through the 30s, hit 27, and then we take out at 27. I'm not going to try to cover on the bid. I'm not going to try to get cute with it. Sweep of 30s here. Okay. Down to 3. Down to 2. Down to 1. Out. Bang. Didn't try to get cute there on the bid, given how Trade8 loves to treat me with those types of fills. Should you trade similar to how you do to pass an eval as when you're in a PA? Yes, 100%. 100% of the time. Rips, have you heard of the futures desk? No. I have not. Mm. 24,890s, all the mortars. What? Right. I just think that that's where we're going to get down there because look at all this. Look at this little batch of goodness down here. That's some chocolate chip cookies ready to come out of the oven, baby. You know what I mean? Straight batching them. Unless you slam on size early to pass evals quick. What ticker and time frame are you trading? NASDAQ futures. Would you recommend trading once or twice a day max if you're in your first year of trading? You can observe the market without trading. That's important. Trade when you feel confident. When you get a second, could you please pull up Rip's key levels so I can screenshot the Asia, London, New York Times? My levels are way off from yours. Sure, man. There you go. Go nuts. Time zone, very important. There you go. Go buck knuckler, baby. Get wild. Take your pants off. Let's go. Rips, are you trading micros on props? Depends. Rips, blink twice if that was you with the 75 and 25. I don't know what you're talking about, man. No clue. Not me. I had to pee. Real bad. When do we put our pants back on? So step 2 of that is just run into the middle of the street, a crowded street. And then we'll Go to step 3. Rips Flex or Pro? It's whichever rules you like more. Just review the rules. Rips, you put your charts on PST or EST? Always EST. I don't use CST either. It's EST, Eastern. A lot of people trade futures CST. I've been trading equities longer than I've traded futures. It's getting close now, though. So, yeah. Me personally, I'm an EST guy. When the Alpha Futures news? Let's talk about it right now. So, Alpha Futures. Their new zero plan had updates. There's a new 25K plan. It's $79 a month. Code RIPS will get you 10% or 25% off. There's a $1,500 profit target, a $1,000 maximum loss limit, a $500 daily loss limit. You can trade one contract. It's a $69 evaluation reset. It gives you even lower entry to the market while keeping the same one-day pass as zero accounts. And there's no activation fee. And you can reset. You can reset the funded. $399 to reset your funded account. Wow, look at the market going. Whee! Whee! Yep, you can have 5. You can have 5. The 100K zero accounts have changed. The payout cap was adjusted to 2,500. The drawdown was revised to 3,000. So the pricing: 25K accounts are $79 a month. The 50K accounts are $119, and the 100K accounts are $239. It's 25% off actually right now with code RIPS. 25% off. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions about Alpha? Is there downsides to go live with prop firms? Not in my opinion, no. If you're a prop firm gamer and you're trying to exploit prop firms for whatever fucking reason, like, yeah, I'm sure it's probably pretty shitty because your little plans got fucking shit on, you know? But if you're trying to trade and be a real trader, I don't see any downside to going into a live account. Like, the whole goal here is like, dude, you guys watched me turn $100,000 into millions of dollars last year. I did it live every single day. If that's not your goal with trading, I honestly don't know what you're looking for, right? Your goal should be to get to the point where you have enough money that you can put it in an account that you can trust yourself that you're not going to blow that account. And you're going to trade really, really well. And you're going to be selective on your trades. And you're going to get a lot of green days. And you're going to fucking run the jewels, baby. Worse fills in a live account is the only thing. See, I hate to break this to you, but that's called real fills. It's not worse fills. That's how the market works, my friend. If prop firms went away tomorrow, would you be prepared to be a trader and trade the real markets? The answer hopefully should be yes, I'm prepared. If the answer is no, you got work to do. It's worse than Sim. I mean, yeah, I can fill 200 contracts in Sim without moving the price. So yeah, technically it is worse, but again, the goal in trading in props is to get so good at trading in props that you carry that over. And listen, when I traded on Top Step for 2 years, it was very frustrating dealing with like a live account and a $2,000 drawdown, because that's just not, man of my stature doesn't have a $2,000 drawdown on a live account, right? It's just the reality. I don't give a fuck if I lose $2,000 trading the markets. It's not going to change my life. It's not a brag. It's just the level that I trade at. If you watch me trade my personal account, you would understand that, right? So it was difficult, but I will say this: when I was trading exclusively on Top Step for 2 years straight, it taught me a lot about risk management and how to control my emotions and shit. So there was a lot that I carried over from my 2 years of trading exclusively on Top Step to the mission that I had last year, which was only trading my personal cash account, personal broadcast. So my whole message in this stream is to trade on props, get really, really comfortable. And I'm not saying move $100,000 into a live account, but I am saying move some money into a cash account and be so confident in your own trading style that you can pull money out. Right? What are the top complaints about prop firms? They have payout caps. Man, you have to have this many days to trade. Man, you have to blah, 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 right? There's a lot of bitching and moaning about prop firms. Guess what? When you're in your own cash account, there's no laws when you're drinking the White Claws, baby. There's no laws when you're in deep in the claws, right? When you're in a live account, you can do whatever the fuck you want. You want to take a payout midday? Go for it. You want to take a payout 3 days later? Go for it. You want to take a payout 3 minutes later? Go for it. Do whatever the fuck, right? But how do you get there? You get there from treating props like it's your own personal capital. Yes, the rules suck, but I'm telling you from experience, the Miyagiing of these rules will get you there. If you guys don't want to be a professional trader, you guys don't want to get into a live account and trade, that's fine, right? Look, I don't care. It's your life. Do whatever you want. But at the end of the day, your goal should be getting into a cash account and trading it well. If you're going to sit here and be like, I don't ever want to go live, well then listen, prop firms go away one day. You just wasted a shit ton of your time. For real. For real. You just wasted so much of your life gaming a game that's just a waste of your time, right? You're focused on this game of prop firms. It's a waste of your time. Truly. What do you think of Robinhood? I mean, it's an accessible broker, but it's not a broker for serious traders for sure. If you're seriously trading, it's not a broker for you. You have so few controls in Robinhood. As far as I know, I don't know if there's a desktop platform that's very good or something, but the Robinhood that I know is the one from COVID, which is like blah. Dooney Yoke says, WTF, I have to pay for watching this heat hat map live trading? Huh? Try it in English, brother. The fuck are you talking about? Now let's try that sentence in English. Desktop sucks too for Robinhood. Yeah, you have a lack of controls. We are pushing up now. 979 halves would be the upside target. Nobody has any questions about alpha futures? Rips Wise PW always hating on you? I don't think he hates on me. He's a fan. What are you talking about? Big fan. He copies everything I say on my show. He wants to be like me, wants to look like me, wants to sound like me. What do you mean? That's a fan, brother. That's a fucking fan. His favorite sandwich when watching Rips is peanut butter and jealous. Like, come on. Let's be real. That's a fan, homie. Have I ever used interactive brokers? IBKR, maybe in the past, but I didn't make a habit of it. No. You probably answered this question a million times, but why did you stop trading on TopStep TV? Love your streams, by the way. Thank you for doing this. I like doing my own show. I love doing my own show. This is the final blue Red Bull, by the way. Oh my goodness. This is the last one. Target area for ES upside, let me tell you. It is 790 spot 50. Bro, 3 is too many. This is my 4th one. This is Red Bull number 4. Keep up. Do I trade crude? No. Don't drink so many Red Bulls. Bad for the heart. Well, just because you said that, I'm going to drink even more. I'm going to do it even harder. There's your 79 halves up there. Wow. What a move. Kidney stones, not when you drink water in between, my friend. If you think I drink a lot of Red Bull, you should see how much water I drink. Sid says, I remember you crashing out at Hogue once for not scaling into a profitable position when Top Step Live was trying to trade a big position. You got to send me a clip. I don't remember crashing out on Hogue ever. What? Dose have really bad chemicals in it, brother, but why not espresso? I don't know, man. Told him to take 25% out? Huh? Have you tried the Liquid Death energy drink yet? No. That's going to be on the show tomorrow. Tamara! Did overs or unders win? Let's see. That was at, let's see. That was at 836, right? 954. 954. The overs. Bang. Let's do another one. We'll do one more for the day. Wow, look at this thing pushing up. This is amazing. All right, 10 minutes for this one. They got watermelon espresso. Think there is any value in trading view footprint charts? I don't know. I used to trade on footprints. It's your world, baby. I can't tell you what's going to work for you. It's worth trying multiple things for sure. I wouldn't have never discovered trading the way that I trade unless I pushed a lot of buttons and tried different things. I'm trying all sorts of different things in my trading to see what works when I was first starting trading. So if you don't do that, you're never going to know. Rips, just curious, what do you have in your volume dot set to boot map? Which part? What are you looking for specifically? 3D bubbles, total volume size 30, transparency 22, smart clustering set to 16, and apply vertical in pixel aggregation. If you missed it, rewind it. What platform do you use at Alpha? This is Tradeabate. Tradeabate. Accidentally just bought 2 minis instead of micros, up 150 on this first trade. Shaking my head. What's wrong with being up? What's up, Big G? You green right now, baby? Dude, there's a lot of people who don't want to see 25,000. A lot of people short. We're underneath the VWAP too. We're touching, tickling, pulsing underneath the VWAP. Top Step was good when they had traders like you. Now it's just, I don't even know. I find your content to be the best for educational purposes of trading entertainment. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. Really loving Trade C. The KPI dashboard is fucking stupendous. I love it. I agree. Been just sitting on my hands so far this morning, but it's been a hell of a week, my friend. Just took my largest payout ever last night. Talk to me, Big G. Give it up for Big G, by the way. Big G just took his largest payout ever. Let's fucking go, baby. What is that? About almost $2,000 for Big G. I'm guessing shout out to SW for that one, right? Big shout out to S-Dubs for that one, huh? Bing, bang, boom. A lot of people in the SW group getting payouts. Shocker. Shocker. LRAP, if you're watching, you're in third place right now. I know you were asking. So yeah, 25,000 did not get reclaimed. It touched basically the VWAP and then rejected. So we are coming back down ever so slowly. That was a nice little setup. I didn't take any of it. Hey Rips, did the CPI strat. I passed, but then according to my order history, I took a sell at 25,015 and blew my account, confused because I didn't have a sell place, especially there. I live by the sword, die by the sword, right? Yeah. Let me guess. Tradeovate was your platform? There's no link, dude. My devs are fucking slow as shit on this one for some reason. It's like, guys, please, can we just get this fucking thing done? And they're just like, there you go. Fucking annoying, man. Like, I just want a fucking leaderboard, guys. There's a leaderboard, some logos, and some links. Like, it's really not like AI could vibe code this in 4 seconds. Like, what the fuck is taking you guys so long? But you're third place, man. They're not Fiverr developers. That's the thing. They're really good developers. That's probably the issue. They're way too fucking thorough on something where I'm like, I don't need all this shit, guys. Like, it's so simple. I just need some simplicity. Undefeated Dino says, I want to get a Lucid account with TradeC, but just hesitating because of the mixed reviews and from people saying it's good and some saying not to use it. Any thoughts? My vote is always yes, TradeC. It's the best platform out there for props right now. There's no question in my mind. Given I haven't used Project X since last year, and I really liked Project X, but I'm a TradeC feller. You know what I mean? Big fan of TradeC, personally. We're starting to unwind underneath 70s here. See if we reject at this 1 hour mid. What do we have? 20 minutes till the market opens here. 20 minutes. I'm going to try this short here. Looking for a sweep below 60s. Using 75 as a backstop on this trade. I'm not seeing a lot of bids underneath that are super strong yet. So if we can use 75 as a backstop on this short, I think it's going to be valid. Watching here for the sweep below 60s now. Currently holding just above 60s. Looking for them to bury it through these 60s. We should have that speed coming in. Watching here for the split. The tuck and roll below 60s. Just move out of the way, you dumb bidders. Just want that clean continuation through the downside here. They're feathering at 60s. If they can just break those feathers, then we should be able to pluck the chicken. They're capping these spreads like crazy right now, too. I mean, they're trying to get some offers out there. I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to get some bigger offers, but I think the anticipation is that we will see a slam. Let's see if we are clean underneath 75 first. Watching this here. Like, they're fishing for these offers. I'm going to add one right here. I think we'll stay clean underneath 75. They're really fishing for higher offers here. Okay, there's your 75. Okay, we're in. I don't think we should squeeze very high on this move, but well, right now we're getting cooked. Should bury this back through 75 here. Let's see. Should fail at 75. I don't want to take anything out yet because we should have this sweep back through 75. I didn't expect that much violence to the top side, but here we are. Watching for the sweep back below 75. There we go. Touch and roll. Watching for that sweep through 70s now. Nice move. Bury that hatchet through 65 and we call it a day. Come on, guys. Jesus. God, look at that. The way that they're capping these spreads. Like, I know what you're trying to do. Just do it already. Like, they're trying to get longs in trouble. That's why they're gapping these offers. Super annoying, to be honest. We should gap through 65 in a hurry here. Send it. Stop being such pansies. Through 65. Doing the same little tricks to try to get people off sides on the long side. Through 65 here. There's only 10. Okay. I needed to see that a lot faster. Whatever, we're out. I really wish they would have slammed 65s like they meant it. Problem is they can pop that back to 80s. And now there's annoying. Thoughts on funded seat? Never heard of them. Do they actually have? Hold on. Oh, it's a new one, yeah. Never heard of funded seat in my life. Dude, I don't know why they're just playing these games here. Like, just have the, like, I thought on this move, they finally were fucking all these stupid longs that we're getting in right here. But then they did this stupid little thing, and then right at 65, they started, I don't know. Weird flow, weird flow. They should be breaking these lows with a lot of strength. Like, they should be fucking burying it through 60s. Running out of names for prop firms. What would we call our prop firm? If we had one. What would we call it, champs? Rivers, how long did you wait to withdraw from TBT profit-wise? I mean, the last time I withdrew was like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. It was on my Instagram story. I forget. The mom's triangle. There you go. Funded rips. That's funny as fuck. No pips rips. That's what somebody called me last night at Globex. It was so good. How do you have the mental strength to hold on that pop? Because I can understand what they're trying to do with the flow there. Yeah, I can see it live what they're trying to do with the flow there, right? Like that pop above 75 was such a joke. Like, and they're coming in super heavy on the offer. So I don't mind holding that because the velocity is slowing down. We're getting exactly what we want. We didn't get the best entry on it, but you know. Prop firm is a good business because 97% fail. Let's do it, yeah. Chuckle feuds? That's funny. TPT closed a brand new pro account saying I breached intra drawdown when I hadn't. Help, Rips. I mean, what do you want from me? I don't know. I'm not. I can't help you, man. What do you want from me? Nothing I can do. I wish there was. When you're in, are you mostly looking at the heat map? Do you pay much attention to the candles? Pretty focused on the heat map, but I'm like, the candles give me context of the range. Like that, yeah, I look at both. I'm watching both. I'm squarely watching the time and sales, the heat map, the depth of market, where they're pulling and stacking orders. It's all very important. It forms one big picture that gives me either get in, stay in, get out, short this, long this. That's it. Why does capping the spread and gapping the offers mean? Why? What? Oh, what does capping the spread and gapping the offers mean? It means exactly that. Which part? If they're capping, they can be going capping both ways. They're capping the offer, capping the bid. Gapping the offers would mean that there's an offer here and then they immediately pull, and so that your spreads go super wide. Yeah. What time frame do you? I don't use footprint. I used to, like years ago. That's the downside to trailing drawdown. Have to scalp your trades. Can't hold for very long and let the trade go against you. Yeah, it's difficult, but the rewards once you get out are insane, right? It's very hard to trade with a trailing drawdown for sure, but the rewards are there. Markets are opening here in about 10 and a half minutes. New York Open coming soon. Trailing drawdown on TPT are gone after reaching 3K. It depends on your account size. If you're trading a 50K account, they're gone after 2K? I think it's 2K. I don't remember. It's been a while. I do not remember. It's 2K or 3K. But it's gone forever. Once you cross it, it's gone forever. It might be 3K. Is it? Okay, 2K. Yeah, 2K. There you go. It's 2K. NFL 2K. It's in the game. That's not it at all. What are the most accounts that you trade with what prop firm? Right now, Lucid has got me the most payouts recently. We just got our third payout from Lucid, second payout on these accounts right here. Been green every single day trading them. And I think it's a lot to do with the fact that they offer TradeC as a platform. Yeah, once you get out of the trailing drawdown, it's gone forever. Let me take the Ripsy reversal there. Jesus. Unreal, fella. Unreal. Are you an investor in TradeC? Dude. Nope. I am not. It's okay for me to be excited about something when it makes my job easier, right? TradeC started as an AI trading company, meaning they are actual traders. Makes sense they would have good fills. I mean, it's just built on TradingView's backend platform. That's why. And you're not running it through a connection, through a connection, through a connection, through a connection like all the other prop firms are. Like if you want to use TradingView on another prop firm, you're going from TradingView to Tradeovate to Rhythmic to the market. It's like all these fucking layers. Whereas like TradeC, I'm pretty sure is TradeC into TradingView into CQG. I'm pretty sure. I don't know though. Maybe it's Rhythmic. I don't know. I don't fucking know. How fast is TradeC? Fast enough for me to recommend it as my #1 trading platform right now. It's Rhythmic. You're right. Yeah. Does Tradeify have trailing drawdown? No. How fast are the Lucid payouts compared to other props? They're the fastest in my experience. We got paid in 1 minute and 10 seconds last night. We did it live. We clicked a payout. We started the timer and it hit my bank account from me clicking the button. It hit my bank account in 1 minute and 10 seconds. You know, like, I don't know what would be faster than that. Not like, oh, payout approved. No, it hit my bank account in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Flat for open? Looks like it. 7.5 minutes till the market opens. We did do it live like Billo. That's correct. Can you switch from Tradeovate to TradeC on Lucid? You can't switch. You cannot switch. Apex is the slowest to pay out. Disagree. Apparently, the new system is quite fast. I think that people are getting approvals in 5 minutes. If you're talking about legacy payouts, I have no idea. But the new payouts, as far as what I'm seeing on the interwebs, very fast. Very, very fast. Are you still cool with TPT? I'm cool with everybody. I don't know anybody that I'm not cool with. Let's start there. Who am I not cool with? You can only switch if you haven't traded the account yet. I don't even know if you can do that, but yeah, that'd be cool if they'd let you. If you're a beginner trader and do not have Bookmap yet, what do you recommend to learn what you see using it? Bookmap. That's like being like, okay, so I went to this golf course and I wanted to get on the driving range, but they said I had to buy golf clubs. What do you recommend that I do to get better at driving a golf club off the line or driving a golf ball off the tee box without using golf clubs. I don't know, man. Go fucking bake yourself a pasta noodle and swing it. Jesus. Bookmap is free, live streamed on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, if you want to watch something that's delayed, for sure, yeah, go for it. What did you use before Bookmap? The question. Before I used Bookmap, I had no way to learn Bookmap. Do you understand? Like, your question was, how do you learn Bookmap without Bookmap? My strategy of me using Bookmap now is completely different, but I used a footprint, time and sales, depth of market, but Bookmap consolidates all of those things for me now. I qualified for a payout on Apex last night. I requested in the payout, and the request starts at 9 a.m. today. I requested it yesterday during Globex, so I'll wait and see how long they take to process it on, Legacy. That doesn't really help us, but yeah. Are you considering working with MFFU, Rips? No. Why? Boy, we are going to visit Monday High where it spiked to 730 here soon. Maybe. Possibly. We're running right now. Can you read out my question so I feel special, please? It kind of feels like what's going on, doesn't it? What does Dom Pro improve in the plus option for Bookmap? I mean, honestly, it's just like a very comprehensive depth of market. Like if you're used to trading on TT or Jigsaw, for instance, it's a very comprehensive DOM. For most prop firm traders, it's just a huge waste of your time and money. Most prop firm traders are probably happy with level 1 because they don't know the difference between level 1 and level 2. Let's be honest. Most prop firm traders have no idea what depth even is. I've never tried out deep charts, no. Hey, Rips, any way for me to learn how to swim without getting wet? Yes. Remember back when you were shot out of your father's balls into your mother's cavity, you were one of the best swimmers out of the group of everybody else who was competing against you. Channel that energy from memory. Your tail was fucking... You were a really good swimmer. Because God blessed you're here. Micron is catching a bid right now. Let me see. What the fuck's going on in Micron? Yeah, there you go. There's why the NASDAQ is finding some fucking strength right now. What the fuck are they doing over there? I don't really see. Something about Japan. What is this? Japan industry plan to start releases from national... That's oil. What the fuck are they doing Micron so heavy for? Weird. I don't know. All right, checking to gold here. Gold got a little pop. Drop and pop. Silver, wow, silver's on the juice after visiting those lows. I mean, it's 2 points. NASDAQ on the juice. Do you trade any of the other daily payout prop firms? The only ones I'm trading right now are Alpha and Lucid. That's it. That's the only two that I'm trading right now. I'm waiting on my Apex to clear out my shitty Trade of 8 accounts that are all blown. I have 20 accounts that are blown that have been in there for 3 fucking days. So I'm waiting for those to be cleared out. Tradeify, I will be starting next week. We have some news coming for Tradeify, so stay tuned for that. TPT, I'm waiting on my pro accounts. Once I get my pro accounts, I'll be trading in those, but I think they haven't given them to me. And I don't remember activating 10 accounts in the last 30 days, but maybe, I guess. I don't know. I don't remember. I guess I have. Doesn't feel like it. I mean, I just had 5 150K accounts, but I blew those, I think, on day one. That was like 2 weeks ago or a week ago or something. Or day 2 or day 3, I don't remember. Yeah, all the days kind of fuse together at some point. TBT takes a while to review. Okay. I realize you primarily use Bookmap, but could you give a quick explanation on how you might use volume profile for you to use it? I do use volume profile in tandem with it. You know, there's a volume profile that's sticking out the side of Bookmap right here. There's a visible range volume profile that I use literally right here. There's a bunch of videos that are on my YouTube channel that talk about how we use volume profile. There's shorts if you only have 60 seconds. And there's long form content that goes over volume shelves and how we use them. That's where I would start, Ronaldo. Bought an Alpha Zero account today and hit minus 2.4K. Is the account gone or does the daily guard limit save you? You were probably over leveraged, so it might be a mix of two. You might have very few, I don't know what size you're trading, you know, but if you're like sized up like 15 contracts, let's just say that you're trading the new Apex accounts that have a daily loss limit. You can exceed that daily loss limit if you have enough contracts and the price gaps and moves. Like right now, the price is going fucking crazy because the market's open. Good morning. Holy shit, how did I not pay attention to this? Markets are open. How did 9:30 just get here? What the fuck? I just blinked my eyes and here we are, 9:30. Okay, everybody, 9:30 it is. Jesus Christ. That came out of nowhere. Okay, let's go to Bookmap. Let's watch. Boom. So we had a big liquidity draw there. We swept above that Israel news high, that newsprint high. Let's see what happens here. Funny you mentioned MFFU and an ad literally pops up on your stream here. I'm not surprised. I mean, that's how all of this shit works. They take the context from the stream and they put it into an ad. 3 minis for CPI is gambling, my friend. Yeah, 3 minis will fuck you up, man. We are seeing some stronger bids shaping up here, but it's still hard for me to trust. We're seeing a lot of bids in the S&Ps as well. I want to see if we can dip into that price. Dude, Tesla's strong, Microsoft's strong. Everything's super fucking strong right now. I'm gonna try some longs here. I'm opening a long here in Trade C. Let's try to not get Bookmap freezing, shall we? Let's see if we can hold these bids at 67.90 in the S&Ps. Adding a long right here. Adding again. I want to see us clear out above 75 here. Do not like that hesitation at 70s. Not great. Taking that out here. Out of the push to 80. Nice move. Wait, what? No, that's not correct. Yeah, there we go. It's like $509. No way. So 880 bucks now in our Lucid accounts. Long or short? I said adding to a long here. I don't know. I also, when I opened the trade, I said trying this long here. Probably short though. Trying this long here generally means I'm going for long. Love you, pal. Oh, you put your head. Yeah, I get it. I get it. That's the one annoying thing about this is that you do have to ask. So I get it. It's fine. I'll give you the pass on that one. Clearly a short since he won when it went up. Stop. That's funny. Anybody make some money on that one? That was a nice pullback trade. That was great. We held above 67.90 in the S&Ps. That was pretty textbook. Oh man. You guys should crack me up sometimes, dude. I love you guys. Yeah, I'm up 1,000. Nice. Does Trade C have a break-even hotkey? I don't know. I don't think so. I've never seen it. They got a reverse button for the Ripsy reversal. These are all of our trades this morning on Trade C. This was the Israel newsprint. This was the fucking speculation that we took, and that was our long. Pull back long. Just beauty. It was a beauty. It was a beautiful thing. Made 700, but placed before open. Nice, Harry Dryfish. What a name. Harry Dryfish. Sounds like you need to work on your tongue twisters, my friend. If that's a hairy, dry fish, you need to work on your foreplay. And also tell her to shave. My God. Rips just passed my losing account. Give it up for Ralphie in the building. Let's go, Ralphie. Amen, brother. You know what it is. Give it up for Ralphie. I'm not seeing enough applause for Ralphie here. Come on, guys. On your feet, people. Come on. We're not a good community if we can't lift up our friends. There we go. I love to see it. There you go. Nice work, Ralphie. That's a big step in the right direction. Amen, man. That feels great. How weird is it? Like, dude, these opens have just been so funny. It's literally like, dude, you get a chance, you get a little fucking window to take your profits, and then it's like, well, here comes some fuckery. Well, hell, you wanted a pullback, did you? Did we just copy Ralph's trades now? Yes. Ralphie, long or short? Oh, God. We are pushing up here. Ah, Jesus Christ! Holy shit! I just saw a ghost in my office. Oh, scared the shit out of me. My God. What is that? Strabango? Oh my God, that's a fucking treat right there. We traded almost perfectly through those hundreds and then we pulled back immediately. That's good. How many milligrams of caffeine is this? Well, that's gonna be a lot. Oh boy. 2 Red Bulls and a ghost? 4 Red Bulls and now a ghost. This is number 4. Or number 5, technically. You'd be hovering if you drank that many energy drinks. You know, it's all about working your heart out. Kick popping off. Amen, brother. I actually have an appointment today at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Down on the strip. I got a meeting. And right now it is 6:37. So that means that we're probably going to end the trading stream here in about 20 minutes or less. We got 9 minutes until the gambles get paid out. Love your rips. Don't die. I still need to learn heat. Don't die, dude. I need to learn shit. Don't die. I haven't learned everything from you. Once I have, fucking kick the bucket, bro. I don't care. Is it the same as the DOM's surface? I got that in Quant. Yeah. You'll be fine with Quant Tower for sure. The heat map and other heat maps are just fine. I just prefer Bookmap because it's its own standalone application, not built on top of anything. So it's not coded very well. It's not super efficiently coded, and I'm sure the coders at Bookmap would hate to hear that, but you know, it's just the truth. I'm gonna keep it real with you. It's certainly some spaghetti gold. Look at how shitty this price, brother. If you are not taking profit in these pops and you're like sitting here and be like, but it's gonna go. Like, I'm just telling you, man, you get one little fucking dip down here, it stops you out and then it goes. It's just good to take profit, you know. Anything from 5 to 15 points in this range is perfectly fine. Thanks for streaming, brother. You the man. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Dibs on the SF90. I think I'm going to take the SF90 actually today. I haven't driven it. I don't remember if I drove it last weekend or not. Prime Stakeout or SW Steakhouse. They're both very good. They're both win properties. So, I mean, you can't lose. They're both very good. If I'm being honest, they're both very good. If you can get on the Lake of Dreams for SW, I would highly recommend that, especially now since it's beautiful weather. Dude, it's today. Holy shit, today's Wednesday. I'm a day behind this week. This is great. I'm going to Poppy Steak tomorrow. I'm going to the Sphere also tomorrow. So we might be doing an IRL stream in lieu of no Globex stream for Thursday. I haven't decided yet. We're doing a lot of filming on Thursday. Lots of things to do. So in lieu of no Globex stream, we might just have a 7-hour IRL stream. You have an SF90? You knew that, Cam. You've been in here before. I have an SF90 Bentley GT Speed, and I got the wife a GLE 63S. Who's at the Sphere? Elenium. Yeah, I have an SF90. You guys all new here? Come on. I don't really talk about my cars that much, but I do love this one. This is my favorite car I've ever had. This is by far and away my favorite car I've ever had. Here. Bing, 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 boom, boom. Do you think we'll go back to 24,600? Brother, that's 700 points away. It's time to let that thought go. I'm a day trader, man. I don't swing for targets like that. Like, if you see me getting 7 points in the market, you usually see a smile on my face, right? I don't try to get 700 points. I go for 7. Why are the 458 speciales? Because they don't make them anymore. Should we watch me the racing of the 296 challenge? Should we watch that today? Could be fun. I don't know if we have enough time, to be honest. This is my SF90 in the Aria Valet right there. That color is called Rosso Dino. It's not orange, it's not red. It's meant to look like an Italian sunset. It actually changes colors based on how much light there is. But yeah, that's my SF90. I love it. My favorite car I've ever had. Ever. That's fucking orange. You got to see it in person. It's a completely different beast in person. The color is like fucking unbelievable. Like, dude, every time I look to have a replacement for that car, I'm like, I can't do it. I love it too much. It's fucking amazing. Dimension says, good trading, everyone. Have a great day. Thanks for the stream, Rips. Off to work. Badass guy. Thanks, man. Yes, indeed. Pumpkin. Yeah. It's great for Halloween. It's the pumpkin car. Yeah, I don't like this price action right now, so I'm trying to stay out of it personally. I'm just staying out of it. I'm happy with what we did today. And keep in mind, I am still in these alpha fucking whatever these are called. Advanced. Yeah, advanced. Alpha advanced. I am still $5,000 away from passing? No. 4,000. Wait. Yep, 4,000. $4,211 away from passing. So 42.11 away from passing, and I'm still sitting here not trading this. So, I mean, dude, the price action was okay this morning. It wasn't, I would give it like a B minus. If you can learn to not trade, it's a huge skill. Josh says, thanks for the stream, bro. You're giving me confidence to execute on the things that I see when you go in on it as well. Let's go, baby. A lot of people watch the stream just for Confluence. I don't recommend copying my trades. I do recommend learning about what I'm talking about and the why behind I take my trades. And then if you don't understand it, you ask about it after the trade is over and we go over it. Kenny says, day 2 of my 150K end of day PA account after 2.5 years of hard work and never getting a payout. My chances of reaching that goal is in sight. Let's go, baby. Wow. $1,885. Give it up for Kenny. Revs, do you think there's a hormone that secretes that forces us to overtrade? No. I think if you don't have your PFC developed, and you're younger, if you're under, what is it? When is your PFC fully developed as a man? I think it's 29 or something, 28, 29. So if you're below 28 or 29, your PFC hasn't developed yet, and you might be overtrading because of that. Real talk. It's a range 25 to 29. I'm not even making a joke. I'm just being real with you. I really think that your underdeveloped PFC has a lot to do with that. That was a nice pullback, though, but this is kind of what I was talking about and trying to clue you in, which is like, dude, if you're in this trade and you're looking to the long side and you're not taking profit when it's giving you the opportunity to take profit, like, here's the thing. And I know there's probably somebody watching that like disagrees with that, but I'm just telling you from my 12 years of experience. And it's funny because it's like, dude, people will talk shit. I'll post a short where I'm like 1,200 in the hole and then I make 750 on the trade. And people are like, wow, you risked 1,200 to make 750. It's like, brother, I can't control that 750 is going to be the capping point of where the market is before it's going to turn. It's like, bro, if you are in $1,200 worth of drawdown and let's say up here, you're up 750 on the trade. If you don't take that 750 because you're sitting there and you're like, I need the math to be mathing perfectly. And the order flow is screaming at you to take it off. It's okay to take down the trade, dude. Like, look it. Let's just say that was you and you're sitting here, you pull back, you're down like, let's just say $600 and now you're up $400. It's okay to take the trade down, dude. It's okay to take the trade down. I promise you, you will live through it. I'm so sick of this ideology that's being perpetuated online by largely unprofitable traders that are like, well, I was down 700 in the trade. Now I'm only up 400. Like, brother, you don't control when the order flow is going to shift. If that's the most points you're going to get on the trade, fucking take it. Fucking take it. Like, Jesus. It's okay to take it down if the order flow is going to shift. Same thing conversely. You're short, and then all of a sudden you see a shift here. Stop the fuck out. It's okay. These small moves with large positions, won't you get eaten up by commissions? No, dude. No. I can tell you from experience, man. 100 contracts cashing 30 points is $60,000. You know how much that cost me to put on that trade? Take a wild guess, brother. Make $60,000 in a trade where I put on 100 contracts, I catch 30 points. That's $60,000 profit. You know how much I paid to take that trade? $400, man. You think I give a fuck about $400? Jesus Christ. No, the answer is no, it doesn't eat you up. No. He's 405. You know, are you okay, buddy? Dude. I give you this tough love every single morning because I want to see you folks succeeding. There's so much misinformation that is perpetuated. Listen, I don't suck my own dick, right? I don't fucking sit here and toot my own horn. Some days I think I'm a decent trader. Some days I think I'm a shit trader. I'm just trying my best. But I promise you this, there's very few of us out there that have been trading for 12 years. And there's very few of us out there that have taken $100,000 to multiple millions of dollars in front of your face. Live, right? If there's somebody else out there that's doing this, I don't know them. Okay? And I do this because I can speak from my experience and I try to do this to help you. And I do this for free to help you. My whole goal is to help you. That's it. I just want to help you. I'm not like shit talking you. I'm not trying to make you feel bad, but I'm going to give you tough love when there's certain topics that I feel passionate about. Trading is a hot topic for me. This is not great price action in my opinion. You might disagree with me, but it's wildly unpredictable because this is threatening a reclaim of 120s, right? Or you can call it 150s. It's threatening to break back above and take out 120s because there's orders sitting up there. This is like a nice pitch and catch, right? But like you have to keep very tight risk. Like this is a valid pitch and catch because we rejected underneath 100s. And of course we're rejecting underneath 115s. But if you get tickled on this thing, you almost have to give up the trade almost immediately, right? I'm sure that somebody caught that pitch and catch though. Like that, drop a W if that's you. That was a prime pitch and catch, but like for me to not trade that makes a lot of sense. It's like, I know that a lot of you caught that, personally. Took a small snack. There you go. There you go. Mike says, first time tuning in. Thank you for your time sharing your knowledge. Always, baby. I love doing it. I'm passionate about this shit. You guys are my trading buddies. I love this shit, man. When we're all like on the same page here, there's some days that are like fucking, there's a full moon and everybody's like, fuck you. But like days like today where we're learning a lot, those are the best days, man. That's what I love. That's what I appreciate the most about doing this stream is the fact that we all get to share knowledge, share experience, and get to have a good time doing it. Damn, dude. J Stores 101 to 43. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. And by the way, there's 2 times for this pitch and catch. Here's entry number 1. Here's entry number 2. It's very clear, guys. Entry number 1 is here. Entry number 2 is here. You can also open here, and then you're forming your break to the downside. Add here. Look for the snap. You get a temporary break. You can peel off. You could even be so bold to add here and continue to add on the way down. You're setting this double bottom right here. Once that breaks, you're looking for taking profit. That's what people are doing here at 30s. You can see that actually live in the order book. The pitch and catch is playing out by larger institutions. Rips, why don't people press buy on market open? What? Hey, look it. It did the sweep and roll. You lost me, pal. I don't know. The moon was my first time here. Dude, that was crazy. The full moon was insane. Everybody's just like rowdy. That was the rowdiest we've ever seen chat for a while. Close here with your first month. Let's go. All right, let's pay out the channel gambles here. 946. Let's see where we're at here. Actually, a pretty good gamble, right? 946. It was 087. Overs are going to win this one. Holy shit. No wonder no one was talking about it. All the unders are getting clapped. All right, let's do a quick gamble one. 5 minutes for this prediction here. We're gonna do under $1 anti-bets on the spins. Look at how good this, dude. I mean, again, repeating the pattern the same over and over and over and over. I take back what I said. The market's actually acting very clean now. Swept those 30s. But again, I have that meeting that I have to run to, so I'm going to start gambling. YouTubers, I thank you for tuning in. Continue to trade the pitch and catch on this order flow. If I didn't have a meeting at 9, I would stick around and trade this with you, but I got to do my thing. If you want to continue watching, go ahead and jump on over to Kick. There's no ads on Kick. It's free to watch, completely free to watch. You get channel points for watching. Those channel points can be gambled if you want, or they can just be saved up for free prop firm accounts. So I'll see you guys over there on YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in. We had a lovely stream. Up in Alpha Futures evaluation accounts up $880 per account. That's basically $4,500, $4,400 in our Lucid funded accounts going for payout number 3 in our current accounts. That will be total payouts 4 from Lucid. All right, everybody. I'll see you folks tonight for Globex. Take care.